5-minute school braids that actually last all day. Tired of morning braids falling out by lunchtime? If you need a quick back to school hairstyle that lasts through recess and PE, you're in the right place. Let's get into these easy, long-lasting hairstyles for kids. Braid number 1, the all-day double Dutch braids. First, the classic double Dutch braids. This inside-out braid lays flat and locks every strand in place for a gorgeous, full look. To get started, part the hair down the middle. On one side, take a section at the hairline and split it into 3. Cross the side strands under the middle strand. Each time you cross the strand under, add a small piece of hair from the hairline. This anchors the braid securely to the head. Continue this pattern to the nape of the neck. When all the hair is gathered, finish with the standard 3-strand braid and secure it. Repeat on the other side. Durability. Braid number 2, the pull-through faux braid. Next is the pull-through faux braid, a perfect hairstyle for sports and active kids. It looks intricate, but it's just a series of ponytails, making it unbelievably secure. Begin with a small ponytail at the crown. Make a second ponytail directly below it. Split the top ponytail in 2. Pull the bottom ponytail up through the split and temporarily clip it out of the way. Take the 2 halves of that first ponytail, add hair from the sides, and join them with a new elastic. Unclip the top ponytail and let it drop. Repeat this sequence down the hair. Split the top pony, pull the next one up through it, and add hair to the split sections before securing them into a new ponytail. Durability. Tip. This style's strength comes from the chain of elastics. Braid number 3, the quick crown halo braid. This hairstyle keeps hair completely off the face and neck and is surprisingly fast to create. Start by making 2 low pigtails at the nape of the neck. Braid each pigtail normally and tie the ends with clear elastics. Lift the right braid up and over the head like a headband, pinning it securely while tucking the end under to hide the elastic. Now take the left braid, lift it up and lay it just behind the first one to create a seamless halo. So how did these quick braids hold up? After a full day of school, sports, and a shake test, they all passed. The double Dutch braids were still flawless. The pull-through braid hadn't moved, and the crown braid stayed perfectly in place. And if you want more haircut tutorials, smash that subscribe button.